this video, I want to show you how to create alumni engagement survey. First, you need to click extensions and then click form and then load form template like this. And here you can search alumni engagement survey like this. After you found it, just click load selected template and you will get the dashboard, responses, question and settings tab to edit it later. Just refresh the page and click fill form and then get link like this. Just click continue and then go to your account. Click advance and then go to fill form and then just click allow here. Just follow the step, it's very easy. After that you will get the link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine like this. And now the form is ready to use. But you can also edit, add, change or anything in the form. Like for example, I go to question tab here and insert new row of the question. For example, I use text here and just copy the text and change it into what's your name like this or anything. You can edit it as you want and it will show like this in the form. Also, maybe you can change it into date like this, and don't forget to change the question to, for example, when is your birthday like this or anything, and it will show like this in the form, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Or if you have any question, just comment down below. And here I want to delete the new row, so that row will disappear instantly. And now go to settings to change the appearance of your form. For example, here I want to change the background color of my form and it will change instantly. It's very easy and you can pick any color that you want. Also go to this box to edit the HTML. You can use it too. And for example, here I want to delete the mark behavior like this, so the title will stuck like this. You can see it. It's very easy. You can also edit the HTML as you want. For example, I want to update the new logo. Just put the link on the logo ID and refresh the form and it will update it. Thank you.